Welcome to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make chips masala. If you want to know how I made this mine, just stick around and keep watching. So guys, my ingredients are ready. You have to have potatoes, you have to deep fry them. Also, you can bake them if you want. And then I have here tomato paste and ketchup. I also have onions, I have garlic and ginger. Also, I have spices and you can use more as you can. For me, I have mixed spices, cumin, salt and black pepper. So here is my pan, and in this pan, I'm gonna go in with oil. I would also like to state that if you like more oil, just feel free to add, and in my case I don't like a lot of oil. After that, go in with your onions and then let them cook until golden brown. The onions are golden brown and translucent. Now go in with your garlic and ginger and stir them all together. Next, add in your tomato paste and ketchup and then let the sauce cook for at least 1 minute. Also, I would like to state something. Before you add in your ketchup and tomato paste, you can add before your spices, before you add tomato paste and ketchup. But in my case, I added ketchup before spices. So as now you can see, now I'm adding my spices and then I'll let them cook at least again for 1 minute, and I went in again with little water to avoid the sauce from burning, also to have enough sauce for our fries. So at this point now our sauce is ready, so I will go in with our fries or chips, and then we're gonna mix it gently. Remember, this is enough sauce for our fries, so we're gonna do this so that the fries will be well coated, and kindly do it gently so that you don't want to break your fries to be into a small or tiny pieces. So just do it gently so that it will be coated nicely. So at this point now our potatoes are well coated, so I'll go in with the fresh coriander and mix them again gently so that we will not mash the potatoes. So guys, here you have it. Now look It's our chips masala, very hot, looks yummy, and also it's an easy recipe, and I know everyone can do this. So if you like this video, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like the video and also share with others so that they will know there is another chips masala from Kenya, and see you in my next video. Bye and God bless.